issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Stafford County in northern Virginia, southeastern Fauquier County in northern Virginia, central Culpeper County in northern Virginia, south central Prince William County in northern Virginia, until 8:30 p.m. At 7:43 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Bealton, Oregon, 10 miles southeast of Warrenton, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Gale City, Montclair, Bealton, Independent Hill, Opal, Remington, Catlett, Calverton, Midland, Roseville, Norris, Casanova, Rammel, Avon, Heflin, Morrisville, Ruby, Somerville, Goldvine, and Bristersburg. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.